Hi everyone, welcome. My name's Rosie and this is my dog Simba. You may have met him in my last video. I thought I would continue on the story. If you haven't watched my previous video, please do. I talk about Simba and the journey that we went on with medicinal mushrooms. Yeah, I got put onto them by accident. And this boy had 3 weeks or so to live. That's what the vet told us. He had cancer in his mouth, big tumour. We were completely devastated, as you can imagine, finding out that Simba had a few weeks, maybe a bit longer to live. So we went into research. What could we do? Is there any other alternatives? And yeah, we found medicinal mushrooms and thought it's worth a go. And that's exactly what we did. But during the time that we were giving him the mushrooms, I used to take him to the beach a lot. That seemed to be the place that we would go, hang out. It was just so beautiful being there together, especially because I believed it was literally the final few weeks of his life and final few weeks that I would get to spend time with this little guy. So that's what we used to do, and it was just really, really therapeutic, I guess. After a few weeks, a few months, Simba started to get better. The tumour in his mouth got smaller and smaller till it was finally gone. As I say, I can continue or I can say more about that story, but for now I'll kind of leave it there. But please put in the comments if you would like any more information about that. And as I say, you can look at one of my other videos and it has got some more information about the specifics on the mushrooms and things that we used. I feel so grateful that I've been given more time. The fact that he's stuck around, I want to make sure that we still do really good fun things together. And one of the things that he obviously loves is going to the beach. So we go there as often as we can. I thought in this video that I would take Simba to the beach so that you can see him in his element. So we're going to head off there now. So if you stick around, you can come along. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. He's quite something, isn't he? To think that he's heading into his 14th year and yet he's sprinting along the beach. Did you see him dodge the wave? What an absolute wee star you are, Simba. Bimba bombings. I feel that medicinal mushrooms has given Simba a second shot at life, and not everybody is that fortunate, and that's why I'm sharing his story with you. Have you tried medicinal mushrooms for your pet or even for yourself? Let's start a conversation. Share your experiences or questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.